unhelpful. Clearly, going to these treaties is not helpful, and we have made that crystal clear. And we need both sides to find a way to create the level of compromise necessary to do what they both say they want to do, which is continue the talks, because they both view it as important to the future. Now, the irony, bitter irony, is that at this particular moment, this fight is over process. It's not over the substance of the final status agreement. It's over how do you get to the discussion of the final status agreement. So our hope is that we can work a way through this, but in the end, the parties are going to have to make that decision. It's not our decision. You know, we can cajole, we can leverage, we can offer one thing or another to try to be helpful, but they have to make the fundamental decision. And in my judgment, both leaders have made courageous and important decisions up until now. You know, for Prime Minister Netanyahu to release prisoners is a painful, difficult political step to take, enormously hard. And the people of Israel have been incredibly supportive and patient in giving him the space to be able to do that in exchange for the deal being kept of the release of prisoners and not going to the UN. Unfortunately, the prisoners weren't released on the Saturday they were supposed to be released. And so day went by, day 2 went by, day 3 went by, and then in the afternoon, when they were about to maybe get there, 700 settlement units were announced in Jerusalem, and poof, that was sort of the moment. So we find ourselves where we are. My hope is the parties will find a way back. We're working with them to try to do so. But they have to, again, I repeat, they have to make that fundamental decision. And I hope they will.